Japanese electronics giant Panasonic has recently introduced its latest innovation, the HCC-R600A smart wardrobe, which boasts an array of impressive functionalities. Developed to revolutionize the way we care for our clothes, this cutting-edge wardrobe offers seamless disinfection, deodorization, and ironing capabilities, all within a quiet and unobtrusive environment. One of the standout features of the Panasonic smart wardrobe is its ability to silently disinfect garments. Using advanced technology, it eliminates bacteria, germs, and other unwanted microorganisms that may be present on clothing. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who prioritize cleanliness and hygiene, as well as those concerned about potential health risks. The Panasonic smart wardrobe is available in two distinct sub-models, aptly named left and right, depending on the direction in which the door opens. This thoughtful appearance ensures flexibility and ease of use, accommodating different spatial arrangements and user preferences. To validate the effectiveness of its disinfection capabilities, the Panasonic smart wardrobe underwent rigorous testing conducted by the Japanese Food Research Center. These tests were specifically aimed at evaluating the wardrobe's ability to reduce bacteria on clothing. The results were remarkable, with the smart wardrobe achieving an impressive bacteria reduction rate of up to 99%. The process of bacterial reduction occurs during the disinfection cycle, which lasts for a duration of 2 hours. Within this time frame, the smart wardrobe employs advanced technologies to combat and eliminate bacteria present on the clothing. By subjecting the garments to this thorough disinfection process, Panasonic ensures that users can enjoy a significantly reduced risk of bacterial contamination. Panasonic's smart wardrobe goes beyond its disinfection and deodorization capabilities by offering steam ironing and warm air dehumidification functionalities. Its ability to support steam ironing simplifies the garment care process, while the warm air dehumidification system ensures clothes are dry and ready to be worn or stored. With its noise reduction appearance, the smart wardrobe operates quietly, preserving a peaceful bedroom environment. Through its adaptability to the bedroom setting, the wardrobe effortlessly blends with existing decor, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. Also, Panasonic's smart wardrobe excels in maintaining a quiet bedroom environment, with noise levels as low as 30 decibels during disinfection and deodorization mode, and 40 decibels in the ironing mode. Its simple mirror appearance seamlessly integrates into the room decor, with the operation panel discreetly hidden when not in use. The inclusion of a child lock feature ensures the smart wardrobe's functionalities are only accessed by authorized users, enhancing safety and peace of mind. The eagerly anticipated Panasonic smart wardrobe, the HCC-R600A, is set to hit the market on August 1st. Priced at 330,000 yen, approximately $2,326, this innovative clothing care solution offers a range of advanced functionalities that simplify and enhance the garment maintenance process. As Panasonic aims to enhance the lifestyle of its customers, the HCC-R600A smart wardrobe represents a significant step forward in garment care technology. While initially available in Japan, the company's commitment to innovation suggests that global availability may follow in due course, allowing customers worldwide to benefit from this remarkable clothing care solution. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.